Week 2 of the build, and we've had some very important components delivered, ready for installation. This here is the disk hub. So when the new disk arrives, it will mount to this hub and bolted through the 8 holes. This hub is what fixes onto the axle that spins the disc. These are bearings that go on the disc axle. Inside there you can see there's a bronze bush, so there's no moving parts in that. One of these will go at the top, of which sits underneath the shell, and then there'll be another one upturned and sit at the bottom of the axle. These are what we plan to use instead of more conventional bearing, because they were heavier. This is just one block of metal, no moving parts, and the bronze bush on the inside can be easily replaced when it wears out. These are the aluminium hubs which hold the wheels in place, so there'll be 2 of these, one either side of each wheel, and they will have a bearing on the inside of them, and they will go either side of these wheels here. So over here we can see those aluminium hubs with the bearings on the inside. So the wheels should turn very smoothly. Yeah, so do like that. All the chains have been delivered, so we can transmit power from the gearbox to the wheels and also the front wheels to the back wheels. Our foam board model that we've made has had to be taken down and put to one side so we can start making and assembling. The Lynch motors we saved from DisConstructor 1, they are out and ready to be installed. This is a 10-ton hydraulic bench press. We're using this to cut keyways into all of the components that are required to spin around and mount on axles. So you place the part under the press, and then with this broaching set here, you start cutting out a keyway into where the gears and the sprockets will slot onto axles. So these parts here will guide the broaches, and then to cut deeper keyways you put spacers behind them until you get the depth of keyway you want. Keyways are required on sprockets and gears, so the axle they're sitting on doesn't just spin round inside them. So it will mean power will actually be transferred.
It's a very messy job.
Oh, so it's 2 grams lighter than the other one. Right, so it started off at 815 grams. It is now at 557. So we're saving 1/4 kilo per gear, the big ones. And we saved about 100 grams on the small ones. So total saving about 0.7 kilo.
So the plates you saw on the milling machine earlier, they make up the gearbox. So you have one mounted onto the motor, then gears between that, and the next plate, and another set of gears, then the next plate, that way around, and then the sprockets will sit here, and then the wheels, and then the rest of the wheels.
I could actually with this, but I'm not going to.
2 axle hubs, 1 wheel, 1 axle, 2 keyways, sprocket, and a circlip. We have 1 completed wheel set. Ta-da! Ta-da! So this is the axle with the keyway cut out of it, and then the key that slots in between the wheel and the axle. So the wheel will actually turn with the axle rather than freewheeling. So that is about everything for this week. It's a very small update, but quite an important one. Some more important components have arrived. The foam board model has been put away so we can start building. The titanium base plate we cut last week has been sent off to be laser cut to shape. We've put our order in for the Armox plates we need to make the shell and the disc. It's a good start, and soon when all the major parts arrive we can start sticking it all together into something which looked vaguely like the drawing we drew. Hopefully it all goes well.